Hello Year 10, this is a video to just explain what your work is for the week commencing the 1st of June. It is lesson 3 of the B4 topic. It is all about the rate of photosynthesis and the things that can affect that rate. So the rate is just basically how quickly photosynthesis can occur and those types of things that can slow down the rate of photosynthesis or even stop photosynthesis from happening. There are 3 main things that you need to do. So the first thing is to follow the link to the Oak Academy lesson, and there's a link in Teams and also in the Word document in Files Class Materials B4 for lesson 3. So you go through that. There's the short quiz at the start, as always. Then there's the video that explains the content, and then there's the exit quiz. That should take you maybe about an hour if you sort of, by the time you find things, and then if you want to replay it a couple of times, that's absolutely fine. Replay it as many times as you need to let the information sink in if you're wanting to make notes as you go along and you're pausing and things. So I think maybe about an hour for that first task. Then what you have is some graphs on the Word document in Teams for B4 lesson 3. And you need to look at those graphs and you need to sort of explain what's happening. What does the line show? So you've got things like carbon dioxide levels, and it's a line showing the rate of photosynthesis, and you will see that as the carbon dioxide levels increase, the rate of photosynthesis also increases, but then it levels off, and it's up to you to explain what's happening. So describe what you can see and try and explain as best you can why the graphs are showing what they're showing. So that's task 2. Then task 3 is to answer the questions at the bottom of the Word document, and they're just fairly straightforward questions. Just answering full sentences, please. It's a really good habit to get into, just answering full sentences. It forms the ideas much better in your mind and just much better in the long run. Full sentences, please. That's task 3. And then task 4, I asked you last week to begin a revision PowerPoint, and I would like you to continue your revision PowerPoint, just add in some new slides for this new section. And we'll just build up as we go along. So we're not left with lots of revision to do at the end. We're going to be doing it each week. We're going to be going back over last week's lesson. So I think that was juices of glucose. So in your revision PowerPoint, you should already have slides for photosynthesis with the equation in it, with the word equation in it. This week, I'd like you to add in some slides based on last week's lessons, which were about the uses of glucose, which is generated through photosynthesis. And then next week, we'll do this week's lesson as a revision. Okay, so it's just to try and keep us like we normally do in school, where we have our Friday lessons, which are just consolidation and revision. We're going to keep that going now because I think we need it more than ever, really. Okay, so let me know if you need any help. I'm always here, obviously, and let me know if you like these videos because they're just a bit weird to me, but if they're useful, then fantastic. I'll keep doing them. Okay, so have a good week, everybody, and hope to see you soon. Okay, bye.